You like para. You like para. Small fever, paracetamol. Hello guys, welcome to BEFE'S space. If you are just coming across this channel for the very first time, you're highly welcome. My name is Kina Befe and I'm super excited to know that you have come across my channel. I want to say a very big welcome to all my new subscribers. I see you guys. I see you guys. We are celebrating over 500 subscribers. We clocked 500 yesterday. I am super excited. I'm super elated. I want to say thank you. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for believing in this channel. And I promise, by God's grace, I'm going to try my possible best to give you guys premium content. Today, I bring you all good news. I bring you all good tidings from Ghana and Nigeria. I know people say, you want to come and fight and talk about Ghana and Nigeria again. No. I'm not here to compare Ghana and Nigeria. I am here to tell you about prekese. Prekese is known to be consumed especially in Ghana and in Nigeria. We use it for our soups because of the unique flavor and the unique taste that it adds to our light soups. But I know you did not know that it has so many benefits more than using it to cook. It can be called iron fruit or it can be called tetraplural tetrap. Hey, see this brofo name, J. Let's call it again, tetraplural tetraptera. Oh, Bruni, they know why they called it that name. Yeah, it's long. Yeah, it's plenty. The benefits of this is plenty. So when next you see this, don't just look at it as just a spice that you can put in your meal to make it delicious. It goes way beyond that. So let's go straight to the benefits of consuming prekese. Prekese is rich in copper, which helps to develop our connective tissues. It's also high in potassium that helps to balance the fluid level in our body. And prekese is also very rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C helps to strengthen our immune system. But I would like to add that if you have any underlying health condition, I'll recommend you get advice from your medical practitioner before consuming the extracts from prekese. Prekese is known to reduce diabetes. So if you have diabetes or you know someone that have diabetes, now I know you will come and say, I don't have diabetes. When did you check? On this channel, I'm going to be breaking a lot of tables. We young people who don't like to go to the hospital to check ourselves. I don't know why. Yes, we don't just like to go and do checkups. Most of the times, the people that go to do checkups are our parents. We carry them for checkups, but we don't like to go and do checkups. You think you don't need checkup? Please, I want to tell you that you should start going to the hospital for checkups. Don't wait until these things are being thrown at us before we start curing. There is a saying that prevention is better than cure. So someone will tell me that they don't have diabetes, but someone is telling you that in your family lineage you have diabetes. There's diabetes in your family lineage and you are ignoring it. You are just behaving as if it doesn't concern you. Okay, go and get this and start drinking it. So what you do is that I'm going to set a video. What you do is that you cut out, it has a softer part. I don't know if I could break it. Okay, yes, so we have the softer part of it, right? And then we have the harder part. This other part we can break. So these two parts can be broken, but this other part you cannot break it. So what you do, it's so relaxing. Trust me, it is so relaxing. Okay, so what you do is that you cut out the soft part, you put it in a bowl or in your pot, add in water, and then you boil. When you boil, you allow it to cool down and then you drink. Take this. Whether you have diabetes or not, take it. So away from diabetes, Prekese is known to be used for postpartum care. Postpartum care is a care that is given to a woman that just gave birth. So that is the postpartum care. So it is important that if you have any woman that just gave birth, maybe a family, your friend, your loved one, if you are preparing soup for such person, please add prekese. It helps to reduce the contraction that they experience. Mothers in the house, let us know in the comment section if that is true, because I know in Ghana and Nigeria they use this a lot for postpartum care. Trust me, it is very, very good. And prekese is also good for preventing or curing diarrhea, vomiting, stomach pain, anything that has to do with stomach disorder. Prekese can really help a long way. Prekese also cures fever. You know that small thing you have gone to carry paracetamol to drink. Small thing you have carried paracetamol to drink. You like para. You like para. Small fever, paracetamol. Now that the weather is very cold and we have a lot of fever, it is advisable that you bathe water infused with prekese. So what you do is that you boil the prekese, and when you are going to bathe, you pour that water that you used in boiling the prekese, pour it inside your bathing water, like your bathing bucket. For this purpose, you have to use a bucket. Yes, I know someone tell me I use shower. Yes, thank you. I know you use shower, but for this one, I use bucket. Okay, so you pour the water inside that bucket and bathe with the water.
I go to school. I go to school.
Went to school.
And my sister too.
You went to school today.
Yes.
That's good. I'll leave there. I'll come. Okay. I'll come. Okay.
Okay.
I'll be done soon.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Sorry about that. So you bathe with that water. It really helps with fever. So when next you have fever, don't be in a haste to go and take paracetamol or start swallowing drugs. For me, I'm more of a natural person. I don't like drugs. I'll not come to this channel to lie to you guys. So I no like medicine. I no like them. It doesn't mean I don't take it. Well, it is necessary, I take it. It's not like every little thing I'm swallowing medicine. I have a lot of natural stuffs that I ingest. A lot. Prekese, bitter leaf, guava leaf. I do a lot of that because I just prefer it than taking drugs. So another important use of prekese is that it serves as a mosquito repellent. Yes, prekese is a mosquito repellent. So what you do next time is that you burn your prekese. Let me say you want to sit out with your friends, your family, and then you're scared of mosquito, anyone you call it, you're scared of it. Don't worry, I have brought you the Obonge mosquito repellent, natural. Natural. So you burn it, then keep it around where you are. It is going to chase away the mosquitoes in like a minute or two. They will all run away. Do not give mosquitoes the right, the power to be biting you anyhow. They don't have any rights. They don't have any power. So don't give it to them. They come around, chase them away. They come around, chase them away. So yes, because trust me, malaria is a killer disease. And I don't pray for it on anyone. So try as much as possible to avoid mosquito. And this is one thing you can do to avoid mosquito. And do you know that it has spiritual benefits? Burning prekese has spiritual benefits. I learned that when you burn prekese, it drives away evil spirit, bad energy, negativity, negative energy, and all of that. But I'm here to tell you that this is a mosquito repellent. So if you burn it, you also have the other benefits that comes with burning prekese. So now let's talk about applying it directly on our body. I'm going to start with our skin. For those that do a lot of natural skin care products, prekese is one product or is one ingredient that you can add to making your soaps. It has antibacterial in it that helps to smoothen the skin and help fight bacteria on our skin. So if you are someone that do, maybe you're a cosmetologist, you're someone that is into cosmetics and all of that, you make soap and creams and all of that, you can add prekese to your list of ingredients so you can get all the benefits it has to incur. I think when you want to add it to your soaps, you have to dry these soft parts, you have to dry it up and then blend it, then add as part of your ingredients. So the last but not the least I'll be bringing to you guys is the benefits to the hair. See, fun fact, I just finished spraying my hair with prekese extract. So when you want to use it for your hair, you boil your hot water, cut out the soft part of the prekese, put it in a bowl, and then pour your hot water. You can leave it for 24 hours, 48 hours. I even heard you can leave it for 4, 5, 6 days. The more you leave it, the better. Okay, but yes, you can leave it for at least 24 hours and then put it in your spray bottle and then start to spray your hair. It can serve as a leave-in conditioner. It contains protein that helps to strengthen your hair and also prevent breakage. So if you're a naturalista just like me, if you're in the natural gang just like me, this can be an addition to help solve your natural hair issues. So those are few of the things I have to say about prekese. I know you would know one or two things that you use prekese to do in your village. Let me know in the comment section. Others will be willing and ready to learn. Personally, I want to learn because this this health, they are taking it to another level. See, life is only one, so we have to be really careful what we do, how we live our lives, and that's what this channel will be all about. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hold up, I want to give a shout out to one of my subscriber, and now every video I'm going to be giving a shout out to a subscriber, especially if you comment my comment section. So comment, because I do reply to all my comments, so I see all of you. I see all of you comment. So today's shout out goes to Kamadine. I don't know if I'm getting it correctly. Kamadine, thank you so much for being a subscriber and for being a big supporter. Guys, it's raining, it's drizzling. I need to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell notification so you'll get notified when next I upload a new video. And until we meet next time, do not forget to smile because you're beautiful when you do. Jesus loves you. Bye.